Okay, in this video I will show you how to download apps that are not available in your region, right? So this is my Play Store and I will be searching one of the survey apps, which is the Swagbucks. Now this is a survey app that when you complete survey you can make some dollars here, right? So as you can see here, they said this app isn't available on Google Play in your region. So they are trying to tell me that this particular app now is not available in my region, right? This particular app is not available in my region. Okay, now what do we do? This is simply because the email address in this particular app, the region is in Nigeria, and that is why I can't be able to download this particular app, right? This email address here, the email address here is situated in Nigeria. So I will be going to show you what to do. Now let's go to our VPN, because you need a VPN to do this. I'll be using Thunder VPN. You can decide to use any of the VPN of your choice. So now we are going to connect this VPN and I will be choosing United Kingdom, right? So this is UK here, and I will select UK. Now it has connected. As you can see the sign here, it has connected to, look at it here, this is the key sign, so it has connected. Now let's go back to, I have to go to Gmail right now because we need to create another email account very fast and easy. Now when you get your Gmail, this is my Gmail, you go to your Gmail profile, which is here, you tap here and you scroll down to the downside and click on add another account. So I'll click on add another account. I'll click on Google. I hope you can see Google here. Then I'll verify my device. I think it will take a couple of seconds to verify. Now I'll click on create account. So this account I'm about to create will be having the UK location, right? Now I'll click on for personal. And here we go. Okay, John Williams. So I'll click on next. I will choose the month, which is June. I will choose the day, which is 3rd. The year is 2000. Gender is male. Then I will click on next. Then I will decide to choose from these Gmails. So I'll be choosing the second one. You get, for the sake of this video, I'll be choosing the second one and I'll click on next. Then I'll have to enter my password, right? So I'll be entering my password now. Now as you can see, I'm done entering my password. I will click on next. I'll click on next. And you can see the John Williams email has been created successfully. Now let's click on next. Scroll scroll down and click on agree. Why is this taking time? Okay, Google is validating the new created email, checking info. Yeah, now we are good to go, right? Now let's go back to Play Store, right? Let's go back to Play Store. Now we are going to search that same app again. Okay, no, before we search the app, we have to switch this email to our UK created email. So you tap on this profile, then you tap on this drop down menu here, then you scroll down to the new created email. Look at the new created email here, the John Williams. I'll switch to it, right? Then I'll click on accept. I'll accept the terms and services. Now, as you can see, this is a new interface that the Play Store has just given me. I'll now click on search bar and let's search that same app again. I'll type Swagbucks. So I'll have to tap this first link. Let's see. Now you can see the app has showed me install. I hope you see that. So I can be able to install this particular app right here, right? So this is just how you can actually download any app that is showing you not available in your region. So can you see for yourself? I can now click here now and download this particular app and you can proceed with it. So if this video was helpful to you, please do it to subscribe to my channel, like, share and also comment. Thank you so much and see you on the next one.